Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into convocation. 12 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Convention, which means a large meeting or conference, especially of members of a political party or a particular profession or group. Convention. For example, the annual convention of the Institute of Directors. Number 2. Conference, which means a formal meeting of people with a shared interest, typically one that takes place over several days. Conference. For example, an international conference on the environment. Number 3. Conclave, which means a private meeting. Conclave. For example, a conclave of American, European, and Japanese business leaders. Number 4. Congregation, which means a gathering or collection of people, animals, or things. Congregation. For example, such congregations of birds may cause public harm. Number 5. Diet, which means a legislative assembly in certain countries. Diet. For example, the budget was passed by the Diet's lower house. Number 6. Forum, which means a meeting or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged. Forum. For example, forums were held for staff to air grievances and make suggestions. Number 7. Gathering, which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, she rose to address the gathering. Number 8. Assembly, which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, the Council of Nicaea was the largest assembly of bishops hitherto. Number 9. Meeting, which means an assembly of people for a particular purpose, especially for formal discussion. Meeting. For example, we held an urgent meeting to discuss the response to the epidemic. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.